I am Marine James Morgan from Commando Helicopter Force and based at Yeovilton in Somerset. I'm at the Braemar Gatherings 2016, representing the Royal Navy in the tug of war. We have two teams this year from Commando Helicopter Force and Commando Training Centre. We're going to be pulling later today and show that bootneck spirit to the thousands of crowds that will be watching.
And congratulations on the winning anniversary.
Over the sailor goes then. Towards the secondary set to the blue again. Fine. Look at this. Two youngsters out in front. And we'll give a round of applause.